We can do something similar for rows with the HIDEROW function. Right now, we still see this row, which is needed for the functions or queries behind the model, but it doesn't need to be visible to the user. It takes up space and visually it doesn't add value. So for that, we use hide row. Hide row works in the same way as hide column, but instead of hiding columns, it hides one or more rows. You can decide whether the row is initially shown or hidden and whether the user has the option to reveal it. In this case, I want the row to be always hidden with no user choice. So I use the option that hides the row permanently in the model view. I applied a function to row A, which is the row I want to hide. Now, when I preview the model, that first row is no longer visible. Why use the function instead of simply hiding the row manually? Well, you can also right-click a row and hide it directly, but if you're working a lot in define mode, you would constantly need to unhide it again to edit the model. With hide row as a function, you still see everything in design mode, but in preview mode, the row stays hidden automatically. So it saves time for the model designer and keeps the final model clearer for the user. At this point, the model is already very workable and much more polished.